How to make your Android flash when you get a text or call. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. In order to get Android flash when you get a text or call, simply launch phone app on your device. Tap on three dots at top right corner and access the settings option. Scroll down. Under general, look for the option of calling accounts. Select that. So you need to note that the options or the settings might differ depending on your Android device. Now select more settings and here you can easily turn on the button for flash on call. The camera flash will blink when you receive an incoming call and the screen is locked. So that is how you can easily make your Android flash when you get a text or call. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.